Alright, bet. We're about to do part 3 of Slime Rancher 2. Damn. No, I'm not gonna use a controller. I'll just use my PC. I'll just put it right there for now. Alright. No, actually, I'll leave it right here. So, I kind of did it like some off-camera mining. I mixed the boom slimes with these little crystal guys, and then I mixed the baddie slimes, the baddie ones, with the hunter ones. I got rid of the other ones, the pink ones. These guys, the ringtail plorts, are actually crazy, so I'm gonna keep those. But trust. Oh yeah, and I stocked up their food, bro. We are about to go adventuring for days. Alright, now I need to check the plorts. 16 already? Damn. How does this one have 15 and that one has 16? If they're inside the same amount of time. Don't know. 27 is crazy. And 35. Damn, these give like a bunch. We are about to make big. Let's leave those plorts out. Trust. Look at the money, bro. Just look at it. Dang, I should have like... What is this slime? Okay, so... I'm gonna find a puddle slime. Because, like, I need those. They gave me, like, a bunch. First, let me sell all this stuff. Let me stock up the food. And, yeah, I'll bounce. And we'll go adventuring. Kobe. Alright. Let me sell these. But just let the rest fall out. Just shoot them in there. Alrighty. Check our map. Where to go here? I want to see what this is. I don't know what this is. Right here. I want to check it out. Maybe I'll get like some cool slime. I still remember the first one was so cool. I had like every slime. And it was like crazy. I went to this dimension. And there was like some, I don't know. It looked like a tornado slime. I forgot how it looked like now. But yeah, I still have that account, I think. If not, it's on my Xbox. Nah, I'll save that deep brine. I can get it later. Doy. Dang, bro got cooked up. I'm about to. Here, let me put my mic near me, cause for some reason, like, if it's like over there, right there, or like right here, it sounds like less quality. So put it right there. Let's go. Alright. We're going back here. If y'all remembered, there was like some land. But like, I got like my whole inventory slot taken. So yeah. Dang, y'all are some big backs. Nah. Why do I feel like somebody in the comments is about to tell me friendly fire? Oh nah, bro. Ooh, what's this? This looks cool. I do not care about that log. Let me through. Oh, I thought that was like some rare ore. I was about to send that cat to the shadow realm. Are you serious right now? Where? Okay. Boing. I need my jetpack. That's what I need. I forgot how to. Well, no, I didn't forget. I don't know how to get in this one. I know how to get in the first one. Okay. First of all, I do not need that no more. I'm gonna just search on my own. We found some baddies. Ooh, wait, actually, I'm gonna take some more of crystal slimes. Come here. Ah, where you think you're going? Ah, I don't want no more baddie slimes. Crystal all the way, bro. Okay. Walk in. I want to go down there, but I think I'm gonna die. See, how would I get up here? Wait, puddle slime. Wait, that has to be aura, bro. I'm scared now to go down there. Die. Do you die? Yes, he died. No. I need more puddle slimes, bro. This ain't gonna cut it. Oh, yeah, that's... Bro, come in! I was actually about to crash out if I fell down. Dude, that slime committed suicide. I should have saved him. I didn't know he was gonna do that, bro. Oh, now I feel bad. Ah. Oh, wait, we could go up here? Anyways, I couldn't have saved it. You wanna know why? Because I missed the part where that's my problem. Yo! Oh my gosh. Plort. Oh my god, bro. I can't get up. Oh my goodness. Get rid of that baddie plort. Baddie plort. Go here. Take a turn. I'm gonna head through here. Wait, actually, I want to see something. Okay. What's this way? Ooh, volcano. Wait, I remember that part. If I go here, cut through here, it says it's danger. Something like that. Yeah, danger. Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. Never mind. Hey, whoa, wait. Hey, yo, it's just a prank. I'll go the other way. These guys like me anyways, bro. See, I didn't get to fully explore this place. There's a tar, like a tar that stopped me, and I was like, are you serious? Come here, boom slime. Y'all are coming with me. Nah, you think you're... Okay, bro. Really? You really had to eat that the moment I was about to take you? You're not eating nothing. You either. Okay. Screw it, I'm playing risky. To fight off the little things, I'm really about to shoot slimes at them, bro. Trust, bro. I'm about to hit him with the 1-2 slime, bro. Alright. Book it. Oh, damn, that's lava. Yo, I'm pretty sure if I get like past this, there's gonna be like some spot. No. Please take me up. Take me up. Take me up. Yo, you better get away. Back up. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Screw this place, bro. Screw this. Where can I go? Oh my gosh, get away from me. Where can I go? Where can I go? Where can I go? Up there. Of course. You better move. Dang, I can't move. Probably have to come back. Yo, I see that. I probably have to come back. I'm not gonna lie. Why so many, bro? Chill. Oh, damn, wait, that's lava. Going on. I am not locked in. Wait, can I scaffold? You did not help me scaffold. Big bag. Oh my gosh. So much lava. Screw that place then. Go search more out. Oh wait, I want to check this right here. Right here. Send me up. Wait. No. Let me back up. Bro, come on. Oh wait, but I can't add more crystal slimes because like that's gonna like it's gonna break. It's gonna get like crazy. Bye, boom slimes. Give me that. Nah. Did it fall down there? Oh, I'm blind. That thing was right in front of me. There has to be like one more. Bro, I want my jetpack. I literally need that jetpack now. But I don't know how to craft it. It's over. Oh. Wait, is that like an island? I'm gonna have to head around here. Over there? Maybe? Don't know. I still don't know. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm gonna have to go here. Can I? Okay. Nah, I'm good, bro. Y'all can take care of yourself. Just trying to find this thing. See, there it is. I'm about to go over there though. Okay, screw this place, bro. I'm gonna just deposit all this because I know if I found like any. Can you just? Alright, there we go. Alright, you guys got that. Here, I'm gonna just. You know what? Take the rock slimes. Meanwhile, you guys are at it. Eat them. Let me just. So, a water plort. I'm gonna need like a water area, but like, I'll be fine because like, I have like a bunch of gardens I made in the back. So, I could just have like all my farm right here. My gardens are right here. I could get more like land right here. Dang. I'll have to mix more slimes. Can you mix the, oh, wait a minute. Can you use the water plort to make like another? Eat it. Nah, eat it. Nah. Eat the damn plort, I said. I will burn. Alright, come on. Eat the plort. I said eat the plort. I guess they don't want to eat the plort. Damn, that sucks. Water slimes are the only ones I can't mix. Trash. I should just burn this puddle slime right now, bro. I should make an incinerator right now. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, refinery. Let's go. 7. Let's go. Oh wait, so I'm only gonna have one puddle slime. Why'd I throw that plort away, bro? Oh wait, but they don't need like any crops. So like, oh wait, big brain shots here. I buy more land, make a puddle, and then yeah. Bet I'm gonna go all the way over here. Oh damn, but I'm really about to have to run a marathon just to get there. Nah, screw that. I'm going over here. Make it here. Might as well, bro. That's cheap. Oh. I don't know what that is. Pond. What? Get out, bro. Get out. What is that joke, bro? You better make plorts, alright? Alright, good. I'm gonna see if I can craft a jetpack. Because I need to get into more places. But I need a jetpack in order to do that. Oh wait, carrots, I forgot. Need to feed these guys. Alright, let's see how much you guys lost. Dang. Let's see how much you guys lost. Not that bad. Alright, nah, that'll be fine. It's just 2. Damn, what else gonna do now? Jetpack. Oh, wait, science. Wait a minute. Wait, fabricator. Wait. Wait. My fabricator. Oh my. Are you serious right now? I need 3 more. Are you serious, bro? I'm gonna craft this. A warp. Fabricate. Okay, so I got a portal. Green link locate. Combining warp tech. Oh, damn. That's cool. So, like, how would I get home with that teleporter? That's my question. But, first of all. Ooh, boom plort. Speed. Deep brine. Oh, wasting my deep brine right now. What's this for? Extra tank? Oh! Wait! I want to buy a teleporter! I'm gonna grind deep brine next. Tank guard. What? So 20 crystal plorts. Lightwork, 20 buzz wax. Lava dust. Pulse wave. As a pulse wave. I'm finding out so much stuff right now. I do not got no jellystone though. I need to find 3 more radiant ore. And I'm gonna need 10 deep brine. So that's how I kill those the tars. Cause I was wondering like how do I get my thing? Well, I'm gonna grind some deep brine. So I need boom plorts. Forgot why. I'm gonna just go find some radiant ore. Wait a minute, is there like a way like what's that? Can I how'd I teleport though? I literally like spent money just to teleport. Change filter. Oh wait, warp text? Oh wait, that warps me? Okay. Oh wait, that does not work. Floor doors. Oh. Refinery links? Oh, why would I want to get any of those off, bro? Okay, so where can I find radiant ore? I'm about to search this whole place. Oh nah, bro, I just went in a circle. I want to check down here. I am going hunting. What's down here? Wait a minute. What did I just find? Oh my, bro, get out. Screw this, bro. Wait, what's this? Can I like? Oh, so it's a view. That's cool. But I need to find Deep Brine. I know, whatever that thing is called. I need 3 more. Just 3. So I wonder how I'm gonna get that boat. I'm pretty. Wait, what's that? Oh, I'm gonna drive that boat all the way over there. I already know it. You there? Have you seen what I'm looking for? It's not a question, it's an answer. Trying to box? Okay then. Okay, bro. Actually, where is this? Yo. Can I just find like 3? All I want is 3. Wait a minute. Hit it how you live it. 10. How do I get up there? Ooh, hole. Ah, dang. Want to become a cave diver. Still looking. Hey. This has to be like some bridge or something. I don't know. It's probably like gonna open up if I do something. You come here. Dude. I feel like I'm so close. What's that? Dude, I can actually tell I'm close. Damn, bro. Let me just climb the rock. Wait. Dang. I didn't do it. Wait a minute. Can I go up there? Wait. I understand it now. I understand it now. If I fall, it's all good. I understand it now. It has to be up here. It's always in high places. Always. Bro. Always. Money? I'm not looking for money. I'm looking for a jetpack item. Craft. Tools. Wait. Oh my gosh! No! Okay, bro. Come on. I think I can get up there. What is that? Oh my gosh, bro. I fumbled. Put that right there. What's this? Bro, if I've been here, I'm about. Oh my gosh, bro. There is no way. I legitimately said, "What's this?" and I've been. Please. See, look at all those stuff. I do need jellystone, but that's not my main concern. I still want the jellystone. Okay, first of all. Oh, more jellystone? Wait, I'm cooking. Jellystone, Jellyman. Jellyman. Okay. What's this? Are you serious, bro? Is there like none of the thing I need? Okay, I'm going to go down there. And like, I just find some. Come on. I'm about to have to cave dive. Yo. I'm about to crash out, bro. Where is it? Where is Invincible? Where is he? Please? Whoa. What's this? Okay, bro. I do not care about trees right now. I'm about to be the Lorax and chop down every tree, bro, if I can't find this. Nah. Who said y'all were gonna invade this place, bro? Deep brine. Deep brine. Deep brine is easy to find. You know what's not easy to find? The materials for my jetpack. Okay, wait. Do I really want to take the risk with all these materials at my hand? Screw it. I'm scared. Get out, bro. Materials. No, no, no. I need that. If it's not here, this game is gay. Bro, get your ass out of here. You too. Oh, what's down here? Why would I want a chicken, bro? Like, I don't want chicken right now. Nobody cares about kind slime. That either. That either. Deep brine. More deep brine. Mining away. Don't know what to say. Deep brine, deep brine. Oh, why was bro trying to steal my deep brine? That's what you get. Do I take the jump? I'm scared to take the jump. Dude, wait, I might have cooked myself. If I can't get back, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. Now, I see that I already explored this, but like, no, I'm good, bro. I do not want to take that risk. Deep brine. More deep brine. Yo, wait, we might actually be cooking with materials right now. It's just that I'm not finding the one I want. The main one I want. Okay, fine, I don't want it no more. Watch. When I say that, I'm gonna get it. You don't understand. Deep brine! Screw that, I would just find deep brine. Pretty sure I need like deep brine. Do not know how many times I said deep brine in one video. Well, 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 well. We just circled all the way back. Ah. Got a good amount of materials. Dude, I still need to find that. We need that jetpack. We literally need that jetpack. Okay, like I just find it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought I just saw a giant fish right now, bro. Oh, I think searching for that one ore is making me go crazy, bro. I need this. Radiant ore. Whoa, storm glass. Lightning mode. Drift crystal. Got deep brine. I got jellystone. Jellyman. See what I craft. Not yet, but close. See, I need wild honey. Dude. I literally needed Silky Sand and I threw it away. Oh, wait. Water tank. Water bucket. Release. Oh, that's what I need the boom floors for. Boom. Boom. I'm about to go Sonic. So now I can get water. Nah, why haven't you made me 10? Nah. I said, why haven't you made me 10 boom floors yet? 8 is not enough. Where are the damn boom floors? Cough it up. I said cough it up. Eat food! Eat the food! Okay. Why does it be like that, bro? Give me a second real quick. I'm just gonna hold these hostage. Wait, nah, I didn't even say that, but like, dang. Boom plort! One more. Better hurry up. Make it now. Or y'all are gonna die. Eat the thing. Eat it now. Now. Eat it. Alright, well. Here. I'm gonna just get this one last thing. Just need them to eat it. I said eat the carrot. Are you trying to box? You trying to square up? Eat the food. I said eat it now. Eat the food. It's not no games. Oh my gosh, bro. No, screw it. I'm gonna sleep. Come back. I better see it. I'm gonna sleep for 6 hours. If it's not there, y'all are gay. Oh, okay, I was about to say. Are you serious right now? Move. So now that I can shoot water and just water bucket release, I'm set. Finally, 10 boom plorts. Dash boots. Why so much? Why so much? Hey, yo, they got Diddy in the game. They got oil. I could have upgraded a heart module. Oh, no, heck, nah. Heart cell. I still need 3 of those. Alright, well, see you guys next time. That's going to be the end of the video. See you guys next time. This will be part 3.